Writing. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring the 2001 Canadian 1-cent coin, commonly known as the Canadian penny. This coin is an important part of Canada's monetary history and is admired for its beautiful maple leaf design, historical significance, and popularity among collectors. The 2001 Canadian 1-cent coin is an official circulating coin of Canada. The coin has a face value of 1 cent, equal to 1/100th of a Canadian dollar. The obverse features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. The portrait on the 2001 coin was designed by Dora de Pedery-Hunt. The year 2001 appears on the obverse, identifying the year of issue. The reverse features the famous 2 maple leaves attached to a single stem. The maple leaf design was created by Canadian artist G. E. Kruger Gray. The maple leaf is one of Canada's best-known national symbols. The inscriptions Canada and 1 cent appear on the reverse. The coin was produced by the Royal Canadian Mint. The Royal Canadian Mint is recognized around the world for its exceptional quality and innovation. The 2001 Canadian 1-cent coin is composed of copper-plated zinc. The coin weighs approximately 2.25 grams. It has a diameter of approximately 19.05 millimeters. The edge of the coin is smooth. Millions of 2001 Canadian 1-cent coins were struck for circulation. Most circulated examples remain common and affordable for collectors. Collectors often search for coins with original red mint luster. Brilliant uncirculated examples are generally more desirable than worn coins. Professional grading services evaluate collectible coins according to internationally accepted standards. Some collectors search for genuine mint errors and interesting die varieties. Proper storage helps preserve the coin's original appearance. Experts generally recommend avoiding cleaning collectible coins because it may reduce their numismatic value. The maple leaf reverse remains one of Canada's most iconic coin designs. Many collectors enjoy building complete year-by-year collections of Canadian pennies. The 2001 Canadian 1-cent coin represents Canada's history, culture, and natural heritage. It remains popular among both beginner and experienced coin collectors. Whether found in circulation or preserved in a collection, this coin continues to be appreciated around the world. Its combination of attractive design, historical importance, and affordability makes it a favorite collectible. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the 2001 Canadian 1-cent coin, please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell for more videos about Canadian coins, world currency, rare collectibles, and fascinating numismatic history. Here are 2 more paragraphs you can add. Writing. The 2001 Canadian 1-cent coin continues to be a favorite among collectors because it represents the final years of the Canadian penny before. Here are 37 more paragraphs to continue your YouTube description. Writing. The 2001 Canadian 1-cent coin is a memorable piece of Canada's modern coinage. Its small size made it practical for everyday transactions. Millions of these pennies circulated throughout Canada for many years. The maple leaf design is one of Canada's most recognizable national symbols. Collectors admire the detailed engraving of the 2 maple leaves. The reverse design reflects Canada's rich natural heritage. The Royal Canadian Mint is respected around the world for its quality craftsmanship. Advanced minting techniques produced sharp and attractive coin designs. Many 2001 Canadian 1-cent coins remained in circulation for years. Collectors often search for examples with bright original red color. Brilliant, uncirculated coins are generally more desirable than heavily worn examples. Professional grading services carefully evaluate collectible coins. Higher-grade examples often receive greater attention from collectors. Some collectors enjoy searching for genuine mint errors and die varieties. Authentic error coins are much scarcer than standard circulation pieces. Proper storage helps protect coins from scratches and environmental damage. Coin albums and protective holders are ideal for long-term preservation. Handling coins only by their edges helps maintain their original finish. Cleaning collectible coins is generally discouraged because it may reduce their numismatic value. Many collectors enjoy completing year-by-year Canadian penny collections. The 2001 issue is an important addition to modern Canadian coin collections. Canadian coins are admired around the world for their beauty and quality. The 1-cent denomination served Canadians for many generations. Studying coins helps people learn about history, culture, and national symbols. Every coin tells a story about the country that issued it. The portrait of Queen Elizabeth II reflects an important period in Canadian history. The maple leaf remains a lasting symbol of Canada's identity. The 2001 Canadian 1-cent coin is popular with both beginner and experienced collectors. Many enthusiasts compare this issue with earlier and later Canadian pennies. Well-preserved examples remain attractive additions to any collection. The classic maple leaf design continues to be admired by collectors worldwide. This coin is an affordable choice for anyone beginning a Canadian coin collection. Its historical significance makes it much more than ordinary pocket change. The 2001 Canadian 1-cent coin remains a lasting symbol of Canada's numismatic heritage. Collectors around the world appreciate its timeless design and historical importance. Thank you once again for watching, and we hope you continue joining us for more videos about Canadian coins, world currency, rare collectibles, and fascinating numismatic discoveries. Your support inspires us to continue creating educational and engaging content.